Good day to my magnificent teacher. Let me introduce myself first. Hi, my name is Gerald Kim M. Argon, and I am currently still here in the Philippines. I am here in front of you to discuss about time management. So, what is time management? Time management is a series of organizing plans and the act of practicing conscious control over time. Why? Because time management is a systematic series of organizing plans and the act of practicing conscious control over time used in particular activities in order to work better. It is a way of dealing with different things with increased effectiveness with an aim of a better work-life balance. So next will be the benefits of time management in a workplace. First will be the deliver work on time. Time management helps in allocating time frame to specific tasks in order to finish them on time. As a result, it helps an individual to manage his or her workload effectively. So next will be provide a better quality of work. As time is utilized properly and activities are prioritized, it is most likely for a dedicated employees to come up with a better quality of work. Prioritizations of works or activities, it helps individual focus on tasks that are important through putting them in the top priority. This allows employees to work on it with focus, resulting in an improved quality of work. So the third one will be more productivity and efficiency. Time management helps in finishing a task earlier without affecting its quality. For the last of the benefits of time will be much less procrastination. The benefits of time management is that it reduces one's desire to delay and procrastinate important activity. Thus, it eradicates procrastination through ensuring that one is familiar with the task written into do together with its deadline. So next will be the less stress and anxiety. Professionals may feel overwhelmed with the amount of workload which affect productivity. Time management can help in reducing stress and tension through knowing what to do. So next will be improved quality of time. As people take control over their professional life, they are able to have more time for their personal life and relationships. And next will be in more opportunities and career growth. Completing one's task on time, it helps in building a good reputation in their professional fields. And as a result, there will be more opportunities for promotion. And next will be more time for leisure and creation. Through proper time management, employees may have more free time to do the things what they makes them happy. Thus, this creates a balance between working and rewarding oneself. So next will be the Pomodoro techniques. Pomodoro techniques is a strategy that helps in time management, which was developed by Francisco Cirillo, wherein it was the name of after tomato-shaped timer. He used to keep himself focused while studying. So the idea behind the techniques, the timer used in these techniques creates a sense of urgency, wherein instead of feeling like you have a never-ending time in the workday to finish your task, resulting in distractions. This helps an individual to know that we're in only 25 minutes to come up with an progress. So next will be how Pomodoro techniques it works. First, come up with a list and priorities of all the things you need to accomplish. Before working on the first task, a timer for 25 minutes should be set. While working, if there are any distractions that arise, write it down first so you could go back to it later and keep working. After 25 minutes of working, Pomodoro is finished. You may now take a 5 minutes break before starting another Pomodoro. After finishing 4 Pomodoro, take a 20 or 30 minutes break. Repeat the cycle until your task is done. So that would be all. Thank you.